Hi, I'm Yan Jie, the CEO of CycField. Algal bloom and dead fish. You may also heard about the consequence of nutrient pollution. This is mainly caused by high concentration of phosphorus and nitrogen in the water. In recent years, many governments have enforced more stringent standards with a lower discharge limit for phosphorus and nitrogen, and this poses great challenges for industries such as food manufacturing and aquaculture. They are now struggling to remove the phosphorus and nitrogen in the wastewater effectively and efficiently. CycField offers a breakthrough technology to solve such problem for industry. Our patent material, CycPowder, has extremely effective and robust pollutant removal capacity, including phosphorus, nitrogen, and other organic pollutants. The current phosphorus removal technology, such as biological method and chemical method, are inefficient and inconsistent. They are not effective to meet the new government standard. Our material, CycPowder, can further lower the phosphorus concentration to as low as 0.06 ppm, enable us to meet the most stringent discharge limit. 0.06 ppm, it means 70% further reduction compared to existing technologies. CycPowder performs very consistently. It works well in the temperature range from 10 Celsius degrees to 50 Celsius degrees. In addition, the used CycPowder can be further upcycled to fertilizer and therefore generate zero solid waste. Our product is in immediate need for the food manufacturing and aquaculture industry water treatment market. This is a 4.5 billion Singapore dollars global market. We are now targeting in the Asia Pacific region. We will launch to the food manufacturing industry in Sichuan, China, and progressively expand to the whole Asia Pacific. Our customers are food manufacturers and fish farm owners. We can directly supply the material to these companies or through our channel partners, such as water treatment companies, distributors, and contractors. Currently, we have received 3 letters of intent from an aquaculture company in Singapore and food manufacturing companies in China. Moving forward, we are looking to work with the customers such as food manufacturers and fish farm owners to pilot our product, with the channel partners and investors to join us and bring these technologies to the market. Looking forward to speak with you. Thank you.
And we've just heard from Xu Yanjie, Chief Executive Officer of CycField. Hello, Yanjie, how are you doing?
Hi, good morning.
So I've got a few questions for you. First of all, I just want to find out, how can potential customers use CycPowders in their facilities?
Thank you. This is a very good question. Actually, the deployment of CycPowder is very simple. It was similar to conventional chemical method. So it can be directly deployed in the existing wastewater treatment facilities, such as in the flocculant tank or reaction tank. And it can be retrieved through sedimentation and filtration process.
So can the used CycPowder be further treated, and if then, how so?
Yes, actually, this is also the exciting part of CycPowder. All those used CycPowder, which has already absorbed plenty of phosphorus and nitrogen substances, can be further upcycled to fertilizer. These substances are actually a nutrient for the plants. And in this way, our used CycPowder can be further updated as a byproduct. Therefore, this is what we mean of zero solid waste.
Okay, I'm great to hear that it can be used as fertilizer. And when are you going to launch the product? And who will be your first customers?
Actually, very soon. Currently, we have already contacting with a manufacturer partner who can help us to produce CycPowder at commercial scale. So we target to launch the product in the second quarter of next year. Talking about customers, we have already speaking with a food manufacturing company in China. They will work with us to pilot a 3-month pilot project, and they could be our first customers.
That sounds terrific. Thank you so much, Yanjie. And if you would like to speak to Yanjie about his technology, please book a meeting to talk to him one-on-one this afternoon. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Looking forward.